Good morning, everyone. Welcome back on Daily Crypto Plan. Well, let's start. Let's start with Bitcoin as usual. I think that's the best. Hey Pip, hey Van, hey Robert, hey everyone. Good morning. At least for me, it's good morning. For you, I don't know, depending where you are. I hope everything is clear. You can see my screen. So let's start. Look at the chart. You can see we are back in the long reload zone from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 days. Back at 95 kind of area. Now we are pushing to 100. We are going back down to 95. Today we have news. So expect again some ugly volatility, but I don't know if we'll get more than that. Yeah. Core inflation rate, which could move the market up and down. We should be on the sidelines as day traders. If you are a swing trader or an investor, you don't care about the news. But if you are a day trader, you should stay out. The rule is 1 hour before, 1 hour after the news, but it's up to everyone. Just don't stay with big positions in the news. So Bitcoin at the same level, you can see it's trying to respect my squiggly lines here, my drawings. I think we can make a nice W, breakout, retest. At least it's what I'm expecting on daily. We can see a retest deeper in 90 area. Yeah, it's possible. But you can see weak, up, down, bounce, and we're just taking the time to consolidate 95 to 100k. Overall, on weekly chart, we are still fighting 100k level. Yeah. Ethereum, similar. I want a deeper retracement. I don't know if we'll get that, but you can see the market is consolidating, let's say 2500. How much time will consolidate that level? I don't know. It's up to the market, not up to us. I'm playing setups. If I'll see a setup, I'll play it. If I don't see a setup, I'll wait on the sidelines. Yeah, that makes me profitable. Setups, not opinions, not that the market will go to the moon, not that the market will go down, Ethereum will go to zero. You know me. I'll play levels, I'll play setups, I'm making money, and that's why I'm here. Okay, so we have Bitcoin, we have Ethereum. Ethereum versus Bitcoin. You can see this trend line is the best friend. Look at it. Look at the trend line. Yeah, megaphone trend line from higher time frame. I could zoom out to see it. Yeah, and we are still while consolidating here. I said I'll become more bullish and I'll consider a fake out here if the market will accept back above 0.03. I said it multiple times. How much time will take to close above 0.03 on weekly? I don't know. We'll have to wait and see. At some point in time will happen, in my opinion. For the moment, well, we can push lower here and consolidate this week to retest. Yeah? This tail here, technically it's a tail. We should consolidate that one. We should retest some levels there. Or it's enough what we have here, slowly going sideways and then up above 0.03, and after that we can think about deviation, fake out, call it whatever you want. Good morning, Andrei. Morning, Booker. Bitcoin dominance. If everything is in the same place, Bitcoin dominance is not doing anything. Look at it. Ugly rejection, I call it. Well, could be the top, at least local top, if not the top for this cycle. It's possible to push higher here and retest one more time. Yeah, I have an alarm there, waiting. We are closing, you can see here, we are closing below the old all-time high, 61.5, which is not bad. We can go all the way down. Yeah. Will happen until tomorrow? I don't think so. I know that I'm hunting EMs on Bitcoin dominance. When I see EM, I know the altcoins will perform better than Bitcoin. When I see Ws, well, Bitcoin is king. You know the rule. So that's the overview. Total market cap in the same place. 10 days, nothing happened. Similar here. After this drop, we are just consolidating, going sideways. Fighting 1 trillion total 3, fighting 3 trillion on total market cap. That's the level. Altcoins on weekly and daily time frame, we are going sideways. We are trying to make that daily W. We are trying. I'm not saying that it's over yet or it's done, but we are trying to form a W here in a nice location, really nice location. Look at it. It's trying to accept above this level, which is an important one. TIA, for example, it's accepting, already accepted above $3, and it's creating that W here. On TIA, I was expecting up, down, okay, and we accepted back above $3. We are retesting $3. That could be it, and if we'll test $3, we'll push higher. Well, that's my scenario at least. Yeah, that's my scenario on this one. If now we have a support at $3, okay, it's support again. If we reject here and we'll push higher, slowly pushing higher, that means that we have a W if we'll accept above this level. 3.5 for a position trader is not the worst level. I bought my TIA at 3 and below $3. I hope everyone has some bags. I'm not saying to sell your house, but you should have some bags. And we can discuss all of them. They are looking similar, people. I could blab away again and again how good levels we have on altcoins. But at the end, it's up to you. If you want to sell it, sell it. If you want to make a plan and buy some altcoins now and have a lifetime opportunity, it's up to you. I'm buying, I'm holding. For me, it's no middle ground. Zero or hero. That's my plan. I have my plans made 2 years ago, maybe more than that. I'm respecting them. No bear sentiment or fear will deviate me from my plans. Why? Well, my plans made me profitable in the past. My plans, they are keeping me profitable every time. So it's a simple decision for me. Respect the fucking plan. If you want to put emotions and panic selling the bottom and panic buying the top, it's up to you. Similar here on this one. This one it's a bit stronger, but anyway, we have a good location. So any W, this one actually has a W here on daily. Can you see it? Look at it. This already has a W, but it's breaking out. If you get a retest here, $12, well, it's there. Something like this. I'll not put the stop loss here. No, stop loss has to be here. But you get the idea. Huh? First take profit somewhere in here. 3.5. Why? I have this big level and then trailing all the way up. Well, not. Could be a position trade here. Up to you to hunt it. Ren, no W yet. Yeah, you know, this one is delisted and so on. Give me a clear consolidation, clear W, and we can talk about. Look at this one. Almost everything looks similar, people. Almost everything. Just look at them. Good levels to use little old lady. Good levels to buy the bottom. Let's call it that way. Look at this one. Similar. You don't like it here? Well, buy it at the top. Maybe it's a better one. Just my 2 cents. Okay. So that's the overview I have for you all today. Not too many things we can say because we have the news. Yeah? We should stay mostly on the sidelines. But when I'm saying I'm staying on the sidelines as the day trader, that doesn't mean I'll don't do anything. No. I'm hunting on higher time frame. I'm reviewing my investing plans. I'm looking at the fundamentals on some new altcoins to see if I want them or I don't want them. A lot of work to do for me when I'm not actively day trading. Yeah. Yesterday we had some levels. Yeah. Last night I posted for premium and VIP. I posted a long on Bitcoin. Hope everyone saw the trade in time because I posted it. I discussed it in the New York session. I posted it later. We made money on it. Let's go there. So let's find. No, that's. Yesterday we had this in the New York session, and everyone was saying, "Well, we'll hold, will not hold. I'll be patient. I'll wait here." That was my idea. I want W's. I could see an AB equals CD. That was my thinking here. AB, aggressive, CD. Okay. That was pointing out already in this long reload zone. Some liquidity to be hunted here. Okay. So, I waited and I waited and I waited until I got a 5-minute W. Let's go on 5 minutes. Pretty simple from my perspective. 5-minute W. My entry was even a bit better. I'll be honest. Oh, it was a bit lower. But you get the idea. And then we had a 50-minute W. We had a W breakout, retest here. And then market pushing higher. I moved my stop to scratch at 1 to 1 and I booked some profit here. I booked more profit here when I saw this M. And I'll trail the rest with the stop loss at scratch. And you can see stop loss hit in the middle of the night. And now I'm clean as a baby. I need to find a new setup. But that was the thinking. Premium people got the trade. VIP people got the trade and explanation. That's how we are. I'm not calling 5-minute chart necessarily scalping. It's kind of a fast day trading. Scalping usually it's 1 minute. If you want to scalp, you take the 15 seconds, 1 minute chart and you play with that one. That's scalping. But you get the idea. We had plenty of time to see the W, to take the W, had proper retests. We had, even on 50-minute chart, we had a retest here and then a pump. If I'll put the 50-minute chart, you can see, you had a W, textbook price action. W on 50-minute chart, breakout retest on 50 minutes, and then pump. And even if you took this one, you had a 2 to 1. I'm not shorting people. I'm trying to hunt long ideas. Shorting for me, I told you, up. In the top of the range, I'll short. In the rest, I don't want to fuck around. So that was my thinking here. I could play in the same time Ethereum, but I decided to play Bitcoin because I had a better location. Ethereum was a bit more all over the place. I didn't like it. More aggressive, a bit stronger, but not exactly what I wanted. So, because I'm playing setups, I said I'll stay on Bitcoin. Use my 2 cents, people. That's how we day trade. Level by level, we planned this move before it happened. We framed the setup live, we took it, and that's it. Next boss. Now, here, what I could do here? Nothing. The news is too close. I see a range. I need to zoom out. If I want to take a trade, I need to go at least 1 hour. Well, look at 1 hour. On 1 hour, I could think something here. Either we'll lose this level and probably will, and we'll go back down here in the bigger long reload zone from this low to this high. You can see. I still think this is possible. I'll move my drawings. I still think this is possible. Will happen here? It's kind of violent and if it will happen here, I kind of miss the trade. I booked a trade and I closed it already, so I'm okay. But you can see the W here is not the best one for framing a proper trade. Why? Well, this W has the neckline all the way up at 96,300 and the stop loss at 94,800. A bit too much for my taste. But you can see this is trying to become a Ken favorite, symmetrical triangle here. So it's better to stay out and leave it alone. Symmetrical triangles in crypto, they are not the best form of trading. Fake out and then in the other direction, double fake out, dark maul candle, probably in the news. So it's better to just leave it alone. This is my 2 cents. Now, let's look at Ethereum a little bit. Ethereum is holding here. It's holding 38.2 like a champ. I like it. Honestly, I like it. I don't know if we'll hold it until the end and we'll pump, but it's holding 38.2. That means something. We had dump. The institutions or big guys bought tons of Ethereum here. And now we are going sideways and we are not fucking touching 2,500. Someone is front running 2,500 every time. So someone is buying 2,500 level. And it's not me, people. It's not you. It's something with someone or someone with money. With real money. Yeah? Not candy money. Someone is buying 2,500. If we finish buying here, well, then maybe you have a chance to go down. The guy who's buying 2,500 will never panic. Trust me. And then maybe you have a chance to get this level. But for the moment, someone is buying the shit out of 2,500 level. Yeah, Ken's uncle, yeah. He sold the top and now he's buying the 2,500. It's possible, Sebastian, possible. Or someone with more money than his uncle. Well, you got the idea. In the same time, you can see nobody is buying anything else. 2,500, someone is buying, price is pushing a little bit up. Nobody is touching it. It's coming back down, stupid people selling. Well, someone is buying and he's holding this level until he will fill his orders. Just look at it. Just follow the price action. Look at it, because the price action is telling you all the news, people. The news you don't know. Huh? Nobody is coming here and telling you, well, someone whose money is buying 2,500, the shit out of Ethereum. No. They'll say Ethereum is not working. Ethereum is, is dead. But someone is buying. You want the real news as a trader, or you want the news for the public? If you want the real news, you'll learn some TA. You'll do couple one, you'll learn some market structure, you'll understand the market. If you look at the Onyx or I don't know, any other news, they'll tell you what they want you to hear. They'll tell you bearish news. Why? They need their fields at this level, not higher. So don't be the public. I don't have anything against you posting news in the general chat. Yeah? But you get my idea. We have a guy that is sharing usually useful information. At least it's good to know. It's Ken that is posting on premium, sometimes even on general chat. But posting news, well, in general about, I don't know, is not the best way to look at the market. The chart is telling you all you need to know. So you have the fundamental events here in the chart. Just read them well. Okay, if that guy will finish buying and then the selling pressure will still be here, well, we can dump here. But I don't think we'll go lower than 61.8 if we're lucky to get like that. Maybe long reload zone. I consider myself lucky if I'll get this level. For the moment, this scenario is valid. Give me something like this. Okay, that's Ethereum. We can look at all the altcoins. We are not doing too many things. Pengu, it's trying to accept below 1 cent. If we'll accept on higher time frame below 1 cent, we don't know where the bottom is. When you don't have history, what you can do is big round numbers, like I showed you on Bera. Yeah? So think about. from level to level. 1 cent, 0.09, 0.08, 0.07, or 1 cent, 0.5 cents, and so on. You get the idea. Let's see if maybe this level will hold. 1 cent. Maybe this level will hold and they'll push the price back up. Who knows? Bear chain, similar price action, levels. I told you yesterday in the live stream. By the way, the live stream yesterday was for everyone. You had the chance to ask your question. Every Tuesday in the New York session, you can ask your question and in the Discord live stream. With no exception. Every Tuesday it's open for everyone. I said about Bera, I'll wait here in the long reload zone for a proper W. I prefer as close as possible to $5. For the moment, nothing. I'm not touching Bera there. I bought some Bera on spot. I'll keep buying, but as a trade, no. As a trade, I'm not ready yet to touch it. I want a W as close as possible to $5. And even that, if we'll fail, then I'm looking at $4 and so on. Hype, on 1 hour, you can see it's consolidating the level here. Crypto God John told you to buy the top again, motherfucker. Or somewhere in here. Hope you didn't do it. It's going sideways. It's stronger than the rest, people. Let's zoom out on 4-hour chart on hype. It's stronger than the rest, but that doesn't mean you should chase. Yeah? Maybe we're lucky and we'll get below $20. Who knows? I'll buy below $20. I'll buy 16. I'll buy even here at $13. Even at the opening at $10. Opening on KuCoin. As it's going lower, I'll get greedier and greedier on this one. I don't see the best potential here from $23. How high this one could go. It's already big. But if we go to $10, well, if I see an opportunity here for 10x, let's assume that, well, from $10 I see 20x, maybe more. So the lower it goes, the better it is for us. Trump, people, you can see it's still a meme coin, even if it's Trump. We had a trade here. Now, that one stop us out at scratch. You had 1-to-1, so no reason to book a loss. And you can see, consolidating. We have this one on the last chance challenge investment plan. A small amount, we'll buy there on that plan, and that's it. It's still a meme coin. It's Trump, but could stay here from, I don't know, from $5 to $20 the entire 4 years mandate from Trump. Up and down, up and down. That doesn't mean we'll ever reach $70 again or $80. That was poor greed, poor hype. And the guys behind the coin, they took full advantage. Full advantage. Smart people. Learn a lesson, people, from what they did. Let's see if we have requests. If not, let's call it a live stream. Like I said, sideways movement today. News in the New York session, so mostly on the sidelines. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning, it's a ticker. I should find good morning on. Well, I don't see requests. Everyone knows what to do. The problem is if you can respect the plan and do it, don't ignore a coin like this. Now you can trade it at leverage. You can trade it on Binance if you don't want to buy on spot, but damn good level. Watch for this level to give you a W, breakout, retest, something. Oh, Mr. Stefan. Good morning, Stefan. Still morning for you. You are posting from Crypto Traders Arena from your account. I could see that you just wake up, Stefan. Well, people, let's call it a live stream if I don't see requests. It's kind of the first time I'm finishing before 30 minutes. Yeah. Watch out in the news. Don't try to be a smart ass in the report. Could be boring, could nothing happen, okay, but if it will happen and you have a big position, that it's not good for your portfolio. So it's better to stay out and then we can trade. Let's see what we'll do. Usually Wednesdays are kind of ugly to trade anyway, but who knows? If I'll see some setups, I'll post. I'm here from Monday to Friday, even in the weekend, to trade. So if I'll see a setup, I'll take it and I'll post it. Okay, people. Capua 2 people, you'll work with me and we have a meet in the end of the day. Yeah, after the New York session, we have the second week meet. By the way, if you want to join Capua 2 or Capua 1, the registration are still open for this week. One place on Capua 1 is already booked. One place on Capua 1 and I think 2 or 3 on Capua 2. I don't know exactly. Probably 2. So, if we'll be fully booked until the end of the week, that will be nice. If not, well, it's nice anyway. A lot of people wanting to learn. We are more than okay. We cannot accept more than we said because it's hard for us. We need to trade also. We need to make money from trading. Okay, people. See you in the New York session or tomorrow with the same live stream. Bye bye.